we're going to start graphing quadratic functions, and we're going to start off with making tables. And I know usually you do -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, but now we're going to add in a -3 and a +3. Okay? So first start off with your table, and then you're just typing these into your calculator and getting the values. So let me bring over the calculator here. Okay, so -4, and then inside parentheses I'm going to put the -3, and then square it. So -36. So obviously I'm not going to be graphing that one, since it's not on the graph. So then -4, and then -2 squared. That's -16. And this graph does go down to -16, so I will be able to graph that one. -4, and then -1 squared is -4. And 0, when I plug in 0, it's just going to be -4 times 0, so that's going to be 0. And these should be the same numbers here, but let's just double check. -4 times 1 squared, -4. -4 times 2 squared is -16, and I bet the next one's -36. Okay, so once you get all of your numbers, just graph the ones that are on the graph provided. So -2, -16 is down here. -1, -4. Now notice this graph is a little bit different because it goes by 2's. So the 1 is halfway, or the -1 is halfway between. And then 0, 0. 1, -4 should be right across from the other 4. And then 2, -16 is right here. And these are going to be U-shapes. They're parabolas. So kind of like that. I know that's not a very good U-shape, but it's kind of like that. Okay, I'm going to do one more with you, and then you will do the rest as your assignment. So this one is 1/3. I already have my table. I forgot the 3 though. My bad. So now for 1/3, you're going to have to type it in like this. Don't do 0.33 because we're not rounding. So 1/3 times -3 squared is 3. Okay, and then 1/3 times -2 squared. We're going to do 2 decimal places, so 1.33. Okay, and now 1/3 times -1 squared is 0.33. And then 0 we know is going to be 0. 1/3 times 0 is just going to be 0. And then I know that these are going to be the right numbers, but I want you to get into the practice of just double checking, because you could be wrong on the first 3 numbers, and that would mess you up on the next 3. So this is 0.33. I'm almost done. 1/3 times 2 squared is 1.33. And 1/3 times 3 squared. There we go, 3. Okay, so all of these will be on the graph. So -3 is right here. Oh, no, just kidding. -3 is right here. Don't look at that point. Here, I'll wipe that out. Okay, -2. And then 1.33 is about right here. And then -1.33 will be here. 0, 0. 1, 3, or 0.33. 2 and 1.33. and 3, 3. So this one is a wider parabola, so you get the nice U shape here. Okay, so that is it for the notes for today. Pretty easy day. You need to complete the other 8 of them. Okay, so that's it.